What's going on, good people? This is Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're bringing some amazing content to you. Some good Southern cuisine, authentic Texas barbecue, American regional barbecue, and all things in between, all right? Today we're gonna get into doing some baked beans, you know, coming around to barbecue time for a lot of people. Of course, in Texas, we barbecues year round, for us, but we're just gonna get into it. So we're just gonna listen to some music, let's vibe out, man. We're just gonna go through this, all right? All right, so listen, we're gonna get into these beans. I'm gonna do this a little informative. This is how I'm in my house and I'm cooking. I got my music playing, so I'm gonna go through this. I can kind of show you and tell you what I'm doing as I'm going, but I just want you to just check it out and just vibe to the music too. I'll give you a recipe, don't even worry about that, all right? Jalapeños. Four tablespoons of butter. All right, let's make it happen. Now, while I'm getting ready to heat this up, the canned beans. Now, don't get me wrong. You can do some beans and soak them overnight and get the right kind of beans and soak them. I'm gonna do the canned bean, the bush, but I want to get rid of the juice and stuff that's in them, right? So I'm just gonna do this for all the cans. I'm gonna get rid of that juice. Sometimes I get rid of that little fake pork fat that they got in here too. Okay? But I'm gonna end up doing that. Okay. In the meantime, don't saute these veggies stuff. This is how you take some basic beans and you can really bring some serious flavor to them. Keep spraying these beans. Saute these bad boys. Ooh, the flavor. You smell that already. And the colors too. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Once I get these translucent enough, then I can start adding in these beans. Start mixing them in, and then we'll start adding some more flavors to them. Now, me personally, once I put these beans together, I like to put them in a pan and put them on my smoker so they can get that wood smoke in them. You know what I'm saying? And so then that's when they become smoked baked beans. We're just gonna be baked beans today, though. They're gonna still have nice flavor, though. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of liquid smoke because I'm around true smoke all the time, right? Doing true barbecue wood fire smoke. And so for me, that's what I'd rather have. But you improvise, you do what you need to. All right, so that looks good. Turn that off for now. And then I'm gonna start incorporating beans in here. Okay. Do the rest of these cans. And for you vegetarians, you know, they do make a vegetarian style baked bean. So you don't have to deal with the pork fat that's in them, okay? You choose not to. All right, now that we got the foundation in here, beans and stuff incorporated in here. Now it's time to start building up on these flavors now. So now I got some mustard. I'll put the measurements in here, so about a third of a cup. Okay. Molasses. Got about a quarter to a cup. Look at that. Good molasses. Oh yeah. Flavor. Like I say, beans don't have to be bored. Love it. All right. Now I got some of my homemade barbecue sauce. I'm keeping these mason jars. That's probably about 2 cups right there. Let's say 2.5. Okay. Put about half a cup of beef broth. Oh man, I'm telling you, you can smell these beans. Now if you want a darker bean, then you can go a little bit heavy on the molasses. You can go up to a cup or more. Love it. Another one of my secret things here. 1/4 cup of the Heinz 57 sauce. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can take these up a notch, and you can add some ground beef or ground turkey. Oh man, look at that. Alright, now I'm gonna taste it first. Always taste your food before you start adding seasoning and stuff, so we'll know where you are, okay? Listen, them bad boys already come together. I ain't put no spices in here yet. Just wait. Clean as you go. It's always key. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna start with some paprika. Alright. I'm gonna do a tablespoon. They got a nice little sweetness to them. Right amount of spice. All right. I'm gonna go with a teaspoon of seasoning. All right. All right, now I'm gonna go with a half a teaspoon. I got a mixture here. This is a salt and pepper and garlic and granulated garlic mix. It's just a mix that I have. I'm gonna go with a half a teaspoon of that, okay? It's equal portions too. I'm keeping this 1 to 1 to 1, okay? Last but not least, got cumin. Cumin goes a long way. So I'm gonna stay at a half a teaspoon with this one, okay? There we go. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn this back on. We're gonna slow cook these beans. And right now, this is where I wanna see where my flavors are. These beans can also kind of become like what chili is like. You know, you taste it now, but then tomorrow, you may get something totally different. And again, the flavor profile is gonna change even more if you decide to take that, put this in a pan or put that whole pot on your smoker. You got some wood fire going, and then they get that smoke in there. Oh man, listen to me. Let's sit here. I'm not even joking, man. These bad boys are good, okay? That's it, man. Really simple. So now, like I said, you can take this, if you want to put this whole pot inside your oven, let it just cook slowly, let them flavors come together. Pair this with your barbecue. You can't go wrong, all right? So, you guys, please let me know. Let me know what you think. If you try the recipe, put in the comments and let me know what other things that you like to add to your beans. All right. But again, man, I appreciate you guys, man. All right.